Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfiko Fidanzato from EF4808, and in this opportunity, I would like to explain a little about my hobbies, my interests, and also my talents. First, one of my favorite hobbies is reading a books, and why also I reading a books, why I like it, because I enjoy reading ever since I was in high school, and this passion has only grown. I've gotten older, and I find it relaxing and enjoyable from a book to get. I mean, I feel enjoyable to get lost in a good story, explore new knowledge. And books have always been a way from me escape from reality or dive into a different worlds, maybe like that. Whether it's fiction or non-fiction, I find myself learning something new every book I read. Reading has also helped improve my vocabulary skills and also writing skills, which is why it made one of my cherished hobbies. Okay, and I have two hobbies. The first one maybe reading books, and the second one is playing golf. I used to play almost every weekend with my friends, with my dad, or I just playing solo. And I always found it to be fun way to get outdoors and challenge myself. Golf requires a lot patience and precision, which is something I truly appreciate about the game. However, over time, I realized that golf can be quite expensive for the equipment, for the stick, for the caddy if we go down to the court or traveling to golf course. And I decided to take a break from playing as frequently. This way, I could save my money, focus on other activities. Although I don't play as much anymore, I still enjoy the game and hope to return it in the future. And now moving for for my interest, one area that truly fascinates me is cybersecurity. Why cybersecurity? I've always been intrigued by the idea of cybersecurity. I've always been like an idea about protecting sensitive information and building system that can prevent cyber attacks in a where in a world where the data breaches and online threats are becoming increasingly common. I find cybersecurity to be both of important and exciting from me, and the challenge of creating secure systems and ensuring data is protected from the hackers is something I am passionate about it. I often spend my free time researching new trends in cybersecurity, but not every day, not often, just for if I had a free time, or if I in late night I learning about the latest technologies maybe that are being used to safeguard the information. It's a field that I hope to explore more in the future. As for my talents, I believe my yeah for my talents, uh, I believe my writing, writing is one of my strongest skills. Why is writing is my strongest skills? Because since I was child, I've always had a natural talent for writing. I used to write short story, poems, and even essays just for fun or just for happy. And of my proudest achievements was winning the maybe a short best short story writer award at school. Additionally, I received the highest grade for Indonesian language project is 98, where I was required to write a novel for the assignment final project Indonesian language. What was interesting about this achievement is that I didn't really to prepare for it or student much. I just wrote what come to mind. Writing has always felt like a natural outlet for me to express myself and my ideas in my brain, my imagination. And despite this, I have not been as active in writing lately, and sometimes feel unsure about pursuing writing as a career of or developing it further. And still, I look I look back at my past achievement with a sense of pride. Okay, so for that all, in conclusion, my hobbies, my interests, and my talents are an important part of who I am. While I may not be actively pursuing them all the time, I believe they have shaped my personality and have given me a variety of experience to cherish. Whether it's reading, playing golf, exploring world of cybersecurity, or for the talents is writing that I lately not writing anymore. Maybe these activities provide me with a sense of fulfillment and personal growth for me. Okay, and I hope this all can improve me for be a better for future from the next day. And that's all of my hobbies, interests, and talents. Thank you for the attention.